need the sun, you know what I'm saying?
Can I get a heat check? It's a type of energy. Goes from hot to cold as it moves expertly. There are three types, and first on the track, the transfer of heat through direct contact. Conduction, but hold up, what's a good conductor? Just think about pots, pans, coffee cups, or objects made of metal or ceramic. They conduct heat, help it transfer. So say, if you pour yourself a cup of hot cocoa and put it in a cup made of styrofoam, the cup stays cool, the liquid stays hot. That cup's an insulator, meaning that it's not transferring the heat, it keeps it cool. Like how an oven mitt is a useful tool. Materials like air, wood, and wool aren't good conductors for heat to move through. The rule is that if it's a bad conductor, insulating's what it's good for. I said the rule is that if it's a bad conductor, insulating's what it's good for. Heat just wants to move from hot to cool. Conduction, convection, and radiation are three ways that heat changes places. Heat just wants to move from hot to cool. Conduction, convection, and radiation are three ways that heat changes places. Can I get a heat check? It's thermal energy, which means heat gives it the ability to have force, have power, or do work. Keeping you warm, that's just one of its perks. The cup of hot cocoa you poured yourself was also created by convection as well. Convection is heat moving through air or water. Dense molecules loosen up and get hotter. When they warm up, they rise to the top. The cooler ones drop and then get hot. When water boils, that's what you see. Heat moving through air, that's the steam. It may look like a simple kettle or pot, but there's a lot of science on your stovetop, and those leftovers you're saving for microwaving, they'll be heated through radiation. This way, heat travels through waves. You can't see them and they move through empty space. And most times, when you transfer heat, you combine all three. I said most times, when you transfer heat, you combine all three. Heat just wants to move from hot to cool. Conduction, convection, and radiation are three ways that heat changes places. Heat just wants to move from hot to cool. Conduction, convection, and radiation are three ways that heat changes places.